Welcome to how to pay bills with Cash App. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay bills with Cash App. All that you have to do to pay your bills with Cash App is to use your account and routing number. In order to acquire your account and routing number for Cash App, all that you have to do is tap the Money tab on your Cash App home screen, and you will be able to select the deposit and transfer option as I have highlighted here. When you go over to deposits and transfer, you will see the details about your account, including the account and routing number. All that you have to do is select copy account details. Once you have the account and routing number at hand, you will need to provide them when prompted for a bank account while setting up bill pay. So as long as you use your account and routing number and you have the necessary amount of funds on your Cash App, you will be able to pay any bills with the balance that you have. Make sure that you copy the details properly through the deposit and transfer windows. As long as you have the funds, you will be able to use Cash App to pay any bills. You can do this as many times as you wish with as many bills as you have. Just make sure that you double check all the credentials and the funds. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay bills with Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.